Jorge. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video. What are we adding, George?
Yeah, we got the MAP intercooler and intercooler piping.
Yes, sir. Oh, you did add something without me. What was it? I wasn't here for that.
Oh, we put the front pipe in.
Oh, okay. So he has intake, down pipe, front pipe, now intercooler. Basically, and E85. Basically full bolt-on, which should be dope. It's gonna be interesting. It's probably gonna. I think it could keep up with the Mustang, a 5.0.
Maybe a stock one.
Yes. So we're trying to get that actually going. So this car is actually gonna be pretty quick because it's basically full bolt-on now. So basically, right now what we're doing is we're just wrapping the fucking pipes with what is it called?
It's called thermal wrap.
And what does it do?
Basically, so instead of working like heat wrap, which heat wrap basically keeps everything inside, this one keeps everything outside, so it doesn't let the heat go into the piping, so it keeps the inside cold.
Huh, interesting. We don't have the video or a video on fucking actually taking off the stock one, but it's the same shit. The way we're gonna put this one on is the way he took off the stock one.
And this one goes in.
So this, let me see. Right about there. So apparently there's no fucking screw or fucking nuts that you have to tighten or anything. It's just a clamp. So
Just goes in right here. Oh, that's gonna be kind of tough.
Let me see.
It's because this clamp doesn't go in.
Either way. Either way. Look.
Huh.
Here.
We have to get the clamp to.
I know. Hook onto that, right? Oh, face down.
Yeah, because look. Actually, let me see. We can take it out. Let it face it this way, like this.
There you go. I was gonna tell you, just take off the whole pipe and then just put that in first. You feel me?
No, I don't think that'll work. I want it to be like this because this is gonna be the easiest way.
Yeah. Who said it has to be facing down?
It doesn't, but
Oh,
it won't fit like this. That's the thing. It won't go in.
You struggling there, bro?
Take days, bro. There's no.
Is it tightening?
Yeah.
So basically, we ended up getting a wrench instead because that wasn't possible. So it's just tightening the fucking, this fucking clamp tight. That one, that was the bitch to get to.
It's just gonna take a while.
Now we on this hoe. Here. Check it, George. Check it. Hey, this bitch is hella loose still.
What?
The one that you clamped right here.
Really?
Yeah. Look how much. Yeah, look.
Oh, fuck. Alright, keep it down. Get up there.
Here. This clamp right here, I don't know if you guys can see with the GoPro, but this one is a bitch to get to. George just can't do it because he's a puss. But it's okay. That's why he got me here. Hold on, son. Was texting me, dude. My girlfriend's getting me in trouble. Oh yeah, she is.
Oh, fuck. This is about to get me in trouble.
She said, "Where are you, George?" I'm like, dude, oh my god, dude.
Did you post anything on Instagram?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Why?
That's how she made it.
Shit. What'd she say? I know you're working on your car, dude.
She said, thanks for the heads up.
Dang, son.
Yeah, we're whipped.
Yeah. Dang, son.
Fucking video in the sun, dude.
I know, dude. Every time, dude. Oh yeah, let me fucking address that. I have a video on this car of us installing the what? The downpipe?
Everything, bro. Everything we installed.
Nah, but on the downpipe though was the worst one because we actually didn't show how to do that, but we were actually out here for 3 hours, but it was pitch black, bro, and people got pissed in that video.
Yeah.
There's like I think 14 likes and like 16 dislikes, because some people are like commenting pointless or useless because I didn't really show how to do it, but nowhere in that video does it say we're actually showing how to do it. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? Nowhere does it say that. And I even put in the video that we're not really going to show on how to do it. It was basically just fucking letting you guys know that this car is getting more mods, you know what I'm saying? But this one is going to be titled installing, so we're actually showing how to do it, which isn't hard. But for those of you guys who watched that video and disliked it, I kind of get sorry. Hey, but it did get 1,000 views. I done clickbaited them in there. Hard starting.
Okay. Alright, so next is this one.
Hold on.
Right. Next is this one. All these three, no, these two.
Those are sensors, right?
Yeah, these are sensors. They were on the stock one, so you just have to.
Just like an intake, right? Like an intake, stock intake and aftermarket intake.
Yeah, yeah.
You just pull off the fucking sensor kit and then just plug it onto here. Yep. The one that came on the actual car, take it off and drill it onto here.
Yep, these are two 8mm. So yep. You just drill them out, pull it out, put it back into this one.
Yes, sir.
And then this one will come with the MAP.
That's a.
This.
Fuck it. All right, let's put this bitch in.
Okay, so shorter side.
Who wrapped this one?
You did.
Oh.
Shorter side goes into the engine. So pretty easy. And we recommend not to put in the bottom piece yet. Wait off on that. Wait off on that, and then it'll be easier than trying to fit the whole thing in.
Nice. See, we're showing how to do it. Don't dislike the video, please.
Don't be cringe, bro.
Stop being a pussy, dude.
Am I right? Yeah, this is good.
Where the sensors for this shit at? Oh, they're right here.
But it's getting stuck somewhere. Okay.
Alright.
Yep. Okay. So back here.
You see, basically,
body.
Yes, a throttle body. So basically, there's two more clamps. All this is literally clamps, so it shouldn't be hard to fucking put on. So he's just gonna put it into where this the actual intake manifold connects, right? That's the throttle body.
Yeah.
Which is the throttle. What the fuck? Dude, my throttle body is way over here.
Yeah.
So yeah, his throttle body basically, you basically just connect this pipe, which is the driver's side pipe, into the throttle body. There's two more clamps and just fucking clamp it down. Basically how you did to this side. And again, it's two 10 mils, which we have right here.
Oh, it just has to drop. Okay, I think.
And then that pipe is gonna stick out.
So this pipe
is gonna go under here way.
Yeah. So right here, down here. Look at it.
Okay.
This is where you're gonna get it out from.
So there's a whole separate pipe that's about this fucking big with this little rubber piece. So the pipe that's sticking out through here on the engine bay is gonna poke out through where the actual intake pokes out. So as you can see, there's an opening right here, and if you look down, it should be right here.
No, not that one.
Oh no, this one right here. You're just gonna connect like that, get away.
Yeah.
Gonna connect it like that, and then obviously just clamp it down. There you go.
Somehow.
We're still trying to fucking figure it out.
Like this.
What's up, Beto? We're just starting to cry because he didn't have his car. That's what he called me.
Yeah, I'm bad. He was crying yesterday.
Because he was.
I want to put it on.
Yeah, dude. Fuck, dude.
He's like, watch when I have it on, I'm just gonna gather.
He probably was saying that too.
These niggas ain't ready for me, bro.
I know, dude. 5.0's easy.
Yeah, let me see that. This was messaging about to get gagged too, bro.
Yeah, we do need a race though. See how fast you go. I mean, he won't stand a chance, but
man, he'll be a friendly.
He'll be friendly. Just see where he's at. Last time I beat him by 4 cars. Maybe it'd be 3.5 now.
Maybe if he gets a good lunch.
Maybe I'll give him I'll give him a head start.
You run the 8th, you run the 4th.
Yeah.
You still whip his ass.
Might as well. Show you one down there. Oh. What is this?
It's just hella extra parts, dude.
You sure? Son, I don't think there should be any extra parts anywhere.
Tell me where they fit.
I don't know. Oh yeah, they sent this hoe too. Look, what is this? So when you order this shit, you got a lot of extra parts that aren't necessary. We don't know where the fuck, dude. This is literally nowhere. This can't fit anywhere.
That one should fit on that. That one fits on that. But
where does this go?
Fucking know where it goes, dude. I mean, this obviously fits right here. Like, what more do you need?
What?
Yeah, my guess. Since they offer with or without intercooler piping, that piece came with the intercooler part. So maybe if you wanted to run just the intercooler with the stock piping, maybe that would have to connect on there somehow.
I don't know. Basically, he got fucking extra parts, and it kind of doesn't make sense on where it would go. But obviously, we're gonna not put them on because we don't need them.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Bro, this time.
Bro, we're putting a big part in it.
Race car, dude.
Is it gonna sound like a park cannon?
Oh, no.
Bitch.
Like the rest of the Hondas?
Dang, dude.
Brother's Honda?
It did sound like a park cannon, right? Up and down the street. Funniest thing in the world. And I always knew it was him because he's a pow.
Yeah.
He's basically just trying to fucking fast. Bro, this literally isn't hard to put on at all. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Joy,
What's up?
you want some biscuit?
Nah.
Hey, it's not like the German from Popeyes and KFC.
Nah,
You know what this is from?
Where?
Red Lobster. It's got high quality. Every bite is worth $100. That's how they are.
No, oh, did you tighten all of them?
Yeah, they're all tiny.
This one only tight.
I know, hold on. We're gonna wait on that one so I could line it up with, with the
okay.
intercooler.
Oh, basically they're in. He's basically just fucking hooking up the sensors.
Yep.
One sensor, two sensors, and this is a line, way.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, I could do it with my hands, fuck it.
Fuck it. Never mind. That's just too hard.
Alright, we'll just wait on it.
I got it.
Fuck, man.
Yeah. Fuck. Oh, shit.
Yeah, never mind.
So basically, two sensors right here plugged in that he took this whole system out of his stock fucking piping, sensor, and I want to say it's a coolant line, right? That runs through here. Yeah, it has to be a coolant line. No, it's not a coolant line because it goes in through the intake. I don't know what the fuck that is. It's a line, but still.
So, you guys are gonna need these. These are on the stock intercooler. They'll be right here. You just take them off.
Oh, right there. Take them off the stock ones and basically put them on.
New ones.
There you go. Fuck are those? Mounts? Like stands?
Kinda. They
Like-
fit right here.
Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, they're just like stands basically to keep it in place. Rubber stands actually, so yeah. So basically what we're doing right now is tightening this clamp right here, which is gonna be a bitch. I might need to give me the wrench, right? No, the
Wrench. Sorry, man.
Bye. Sí. Allá en Leitro, donde está trabajando, se miraba como que se iba a llover. Allá.
Ay, ¿por qué le pusieron ese pinche tail amarillo?
¿Por qué?
Se ve medio fiel, como el pinche carro de San Francisco, güey.
Oh yeah. Whew. So now we're doing the last and final part, putting the actual intercooler where the pipings are. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go.
What's your side? You good on this side?
I need a little more over here. Like, look, wait. Come on my side.
You're
Look.
short? Oh, okay. I'm sure that could be fixed. Or is it sitting in the hole?
Oh yeah, you're right. No, not all the way. Got it? Yeah,
There
got
we
it.
Okay. So that's a simple fix. All we have to do is just turn this a little.
Switch to the camera. Fucking GoPro died. But yeah, this is what we're doing. Connect this pipe that leads up here, right?
Oh, fuck, that shit's smooth.
Oh shit. Clamp. Clamp. That one's a bitch. Goes all the way down here. Connect. Make sure these rubber bushings go inside of that hole. Same with this side. As you can see, boom, boom. This one leads up here to the throttle body, clamp, sensor, line, clamp, and more clamps down here. It's literally just all clamps. But yeah, looks badass. I'm telling you, would it look better if MAP would put MAP across that corner right there? Why does my camera look weird? Update. We fucking see the straight one? Don't use this one on this side, on the passenger side. Use the one that has like the little ball next to it. Tighten with those 2 bolts. Fuck my back. Couldn't really show it, but we were literally just tightening bolts. But
Right here,
we finished.
all done.
Recap, George. Recap. Let me show you. So, fucking simple. Pipe, right? Clamp. That one's probably gonna be the hardest one you're gonna get to. We use a 10mm wrench. What do they fucking call those? Fucking wrench. We use a 10mm wrench for that one. Another clamp right here. Easy to get to. 10 mil. Connects down to here. There's a rubber bushing on the actual. Camera's acting stupid. But now it's gonna go up to here, where the throttle body's at. Another clamp here. This one was kind of hard to get to. Come all the way down here. Sensor. Connect. Line. Connect. Comes down here to where the intake comes down, and there you go. It's on. Let's get an actual view. That looks crazy. Look, dude. That actually looks crazy.
Yeah.
So now the intake's right there. We're gonna wrap that with gold wrap as well while he puts the bumper on. And next clip should be test pulls, probably, because we're basically done here. So yeah. All right. So I was at a weird ass setting on my camera. So if it looks weird for like first couple minutes of the actual camera footage, it's my fault. So he's about to do a test pull right now. This is usually the street we do it on after everything we've done to this car, or every other mod that we do to the car. So right now, so let's see.
That does feel better.
Son, that shit was fire.
Should I check on the square?
Did it just? Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh god, bro.
Does it feel nice?
It feels better. Way better, dude.
Does it?
Yeah.
Fuck, dude. Test pull number 2. Making sure no one's on this side. Here we go. The turbo does sound hella different. Like, it does spool longer.
First gear, bro. I spent all over.
Alright, first gear pull. That shit's crazy, son. Hey, anyone that lives around here where we are, I don't want to dispose the location. 209. Anyone who lives over here in the 209, son, bro, you guys need to race this guy. Son, any tension out there, any Civic out there that thinks they could probably keep up with him, but you guys gotta wait. Not yet. I'll let you guys know when.
Yeah, now.
No, okay,
If
fuck
anybody,
it now.
As of now.
If anyone wants to, as of now, go ahead. But fuck, I'm trying to like say shit but without spoiling.
Nah, we can just say, bro, as of now, like as soon as this video is released, you guys.
Yeah, I know, but I'm trying to
hit
tell.
up your Instagram. You know,
Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, yeah, hit up his Instagram. I'm gonna leave the ad right now. It's probably gonna be right here.